Hi, I'm David Gallion with RDM Industrial Electronics. In this short video, I would like to talk to you about the Defender One fuel dispenser alarm system. Fuel theft, credit card, bank card theft has become a multi-million-dollar a year industry. Just fuel theft alone amounts to hundreds of millions annually. It used to be that drive-offs was all we had to worry about. Today, you have thieves stealing fuel in modified vehicles. I'm talking about panel vans, vehicles pulling trailers, pickup trucks, even campers and motor homes are being fitted with tanks that can hold several hundred gallons of fuel. Just one can rob you of hundreds of gallons of fuel a day, mostly diesel and the highest octane gasoline. In one study, it was found that an individual thief can profit as much as $1,000 a day selling stolen fuel. The same study also revealed that thieves are working together in elaborate networks, netting millions of dollars a year in stolen fuel. This study found that between Miami, Los Angeles, and Las Vegas, 20 million gallons of diesel fuel are stolen each year. Thieves are doing this by either breaking into a dispenser and manipulating it, usually in the lower part of the dispenser, or by using stolen credit cards. Credit cards that have been stolen by the use of skimmers placed inside the dispenser. And this is happening all across America. And then you still have the annoying thieves who will just break into a dispenser and vandalize it just to get a free refill. How can you stop this from happening? You say, well, I've installed locks. I've installed custom locks. Well, you got to ask, how long have locks been around? In fact, a study done in the state of Florida, 85% of the skimmers found in pumps all had new locks and security labels. At 6 locks per dispenser, it is a weak point. What is needed is an active alarm system. A couple of dispenser manufacturers offer an alarm option as a factory install or as an expensive retrofit at the site. With an OEM alarm system, only authorized service technicians can work on the dispensers, thus ending any in-house repairs. Plus, some of those features of an OEM system require you to have a subscription to their services. Now, let's talk about the Defender One. The Defender One is a patented alarm system designed exclusively for modern fuel dispensers. It is designed and manufactured in the USA. It meets national weights and measures recommendations for positive shutdown in the event of tampering, which I'll demonstrate here in a moment. It is UL listed and UL approved for installation in Gilbarco Advantage and Encore dispensers, as well as Wayne, Vista, and Ovation. It also works in the Bennett dispensers, Horizon, and Pacific. The Defender One's intrinsic safety barrier is also UL listed. With the Defender One, there is no need to change your locks. Also, there are no board or software upgrades. One unit will guard both sides of the dispenser, either a 2-hose system or a 4-hose like you see here. It guards the upper door, it guards the printer door, and it also guards the lower door. If any of these areas are breached on the dispenser, it is a 110 decibel alarm will sound, and it will instantly shut down the dispenser without killing the power, which I'll demonstrate here in a moment. As an option, a wireless remote monitor is available, or the Defender can be connected to another alarming device. The unit cannot be put back in operation until it is examined, the door shut, and the alarm is reset by pushing the button on a key fob. That's right, the Defender One is armed and disarmed by a key fob. One fob can be programmed to control all dispensers at a store, which is great for the store owner, and the Defender can be programmed to accept multiple fobs. That's great for service techs. Backup batteries are inexpensive AA batteries, and an alarm will chirp when the batteries are getting low, letting you know that those batteries need to be replaced. Now, let's take a look at the Defender One. Okay, this would be a basic kit for a Defender installed. What you see here is the same setup as we have here in the Encore 500 dispenser. A basic kit would be, you get the Defender 1. You also get the wiring kit here, a set of batteries, your remote, which is sold separately because you can buy as many as you need, and mounting brackets. It'll also come with the zip tie, heavy duty zip tie for installation. And we have these nice screen printed labels to go on the outside of the dispenser to warn people that if you open this dispenser, an alarm will sound. The cable kits here are specific to the dispenser that you're going to be installing this in. It'll be a different kit, of course, for Dresser Lane, various dispensers. The intrinsic safety barrier, again, is UL listed and approved for use in the lower cabinet of the dispenser. Comes with all the appropriate mounting hardwire. And you can also, as an option, get this remote monitor to mount inside the store that would alert a cashier that one of the dispensers has been breached. Comes with the power supply, a remote sensor, which is wireless. This goes inside the dispenser, which will send a signal to this box to let you know that the dispenser has been breached. You can also wire this to your existing building alarm system. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how this alarm system works. You may already be thinking, okay, how is a store clerk supposed to change the paper in the printer when the paper runs out? Do you have to power down the whole system and shut the alarm off? No, it's very simple. Like I said, this will stop the dispenser from working without shutting off the power. If the store clerk wants to come out and change the paper in the printer door, you just click the button on the fob. You hear a tone that lets you know you have 15 seconds to open this up or the alarm is going to rearm itself. Now, you just simply change the paper, and when you shut the door back, even if you forget to reset the alarm, it will activate itself like that. The pump is now once again armed. Now I'm going to demonstrate the positive shutdown of the dispenser should someone breach the alarm. I'm going to start the pump up like you're pumping fuel. I'm going to, for purpose of demonstration, breach the printer door. The alarm will sound, and you'll see the totals just stop on the dispenser. Okay. Pumping fuel. And now I'm going to breach. The alarm will sound, and you'll see these numbers stop. Press the button on the key fob. The pump is still inoperable. There's a few things that you need to do before you put this pump back in operation. Okay, you take a physical look inside the dispenser to make sure that it has not been tampered with. No skimmers have been installed, no wires have been clipped, anything along those lines. Once you're satisfied that the dispenser has not been tampered with, you can close everything back up, secure your locks, and the alarm is going to rearm itself. There, it is now armed again, and your dispenser is back in operation. It's that simple because we did not kill the AC power coming to the dispenser. We just disabled it from pumping fuel. And there you have the Defender 1.